Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Botany Educator, and today we will going to study about Aspergillus. So before going further to the topic, we will study about the journal about the classes of the Ascomycotina. Two subclasses, Hemiascomycetes and subclass Ascomycetes. In Hemiascomycetes, ascocarp are absent and asci are naked, while in Ascomycetes, asci are formed in the fruiting bodies, right? So different type of fruiting bodies are formed in this Ascomycetes. The member of Hemiascomycetes we have studied of Saccharomyces. On this I have already uploaded video on Saccharomyces, and then moving further to Ascomycetes member, today we will study about Aspergillus, will belong to Plectomycetes, in which Clistothecium is formed. So moving further to it, the classification, it belongs to kingdom Mycota, division Eumycota, subdivision Ascomycotina, class Plectomycetes, right? And then order Asperales and family Asperaceae. Then some important points about it. It's saprophytic in nature, means it grow on dead organic matter. Most of its species are saprophytic. Some species are parasitic and cause disease like ground rot in the groundnut, ball rot of cotton. Some of its species produce some toxin substances like alpha toxins, which is carcinogenic in nature, right? Then if we talk of its vegetative structure, the mycelium is well developed, branched and septate, and multinucleate in conditions. If one type of nuclei formed is homokaryotic and two different type of nuclei are formed, then it's heterokaryotic, right? So in this multinucleate condition is formed, right? Allosapta is formed in between it, and the reserve food materials oil globules, and the cytoplasm contains mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes. If we talk of its reproduction, then vegetative, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction occurs in the Aspergillus. In this, if we talk of its vegetative reproduction, the fragmentation occur, and this old filaments, the it the old filaments are damaged, and in this small pieces and fragments are formed, and the new mycelium are formed in the mycelium. Then conidia, the somatic hyphae, it grow rapidly and a rigid wall is formed, and the cells are known as foot cells. In this diagram also you can see the foot cell is formed in at the lower side, and this is the conidiophore, right? Which develop just above it. From each foot cell a conidiophore is developed, and at the tip of the conidiophore a vesicle develop. This type of vesicle develop. This is the swollen part, this is known as vesicle, and several projections are developed from the vesicle known as phallidus or stigmata. This type of stigmata you can see uh, in the vesicle, and on above this conidia form, and it's divided into primary and secondary stigmata. You can see the first layer is formed known as primary stigmata, and the secondary layer is known as secondary or tertiary stigmata, on which the conidia form in basipetal chain, means the oldest will be at the tip and the youngest will be at the base, right? You can see this type of conidia chain in this. And the conidia are small globules, and enucleate and uninucleate structures are formed, and dispersed to the wind, and it germinate on the suitable substratum, and new mycelium are formed, right? Sexual reproduction, antheridium is formed and ascogonium is formed. In the antheridium proper and basal part is formed, and in ascogonium trichogyne, ascogonium and basal part is formed. Gametangial contact, through the gametangial contact, antheridium and elongate and coil close to the ascogonium, and it touches the trichogyne and it dissolves the trichogyne, right? And the content of the antheridium mixed with the ascogonium material, and the male and female nuclei arranged to form the dikaryon. And this, after the dikaryon formation, develop into ascogenous hyphae, and after the formation of ascogenous hyphae, it forms ascus mother cell, in which meiosis occur, followed by mitosis, and ascospores are formed, right? This is in mycelium, in which female branch are formed and trichogyne is formed, right? Then ascogonium and antheridium comes very close to each other, right? And the nuclei are transferred and dikaryon is formed, right? A pairing of hyphae takes place and occur in the fruiting body known as clistothecium, right? In the surrounding, the hyphae grown up, and a fruiting body is formed, and this clistothecium, the pairing of hyphae takes place and a dikaryon is formed, and after the dikaryon formation, ascus mother cell is formed, and then through meiosis and mitosis, ascospores are formed, right? So this type of sexual reproduction you will see in the Aspergillus. I hope you have understand the video, and if you've liked the video, please share it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching.